4 health benefits of decaf coffee. When it comes to coffee, there are a lot of different opinions out there. Some people can't live without their morning cup of joe, while others prefer to avoid caffeine altogether. But what about decaf coffee? While it doesn't have the same kick as regular coffee, there are actually a few health benefits associated with drinking decaf. Here are 4 of them. 1. Decaf coffee is lower in calories. For coffee lovers who are watching their waistlines, decaf coffee is a good choice. Since the decaffeination process removes most of the coffee bean's caffeine, it also removes a significant amount of its calories. In fact, a cup of decaf coffee has about 2 calories per fluid ounce, while a cup of regular coffee has around 5 calories per fluid ounce. Of course, these numbers will vary depending on the type of milk and sweeteners used, but overall, decaf coffee is a lower calorie option. Additionally, decaf coffee has been shown to have some health benefits, including a reduced risk of heart disease and diabetes. So if you're looking to cut back on calories, ask for a cup of decaf the next time you're at your favorite coffee shop. 2. Decaf coffee is a good source of antioxidants. Decaf coffee is often seen as an inferior alternative to regular coffee, but it actually has a number of potential benefits. For one thing, decaf coffee is a good source of antioxidants. These substances help to protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, and they have been linked with a lower risk of various chronic diseases. What's more, decaf coffee is generally lower in caffeine than regular coffee, making it a good choice for those who are sensitive to the stimulant. And because it contains less caffeine, decaf coffee is also less likely to cause side effects like jitteriness and insomnia. Overall then, decaf coffee can be a healthy and enjoyable option for those who want to enjoy the flavor of coffee without the effects of caffeine. 3. Decaf coffee can help to protect your liver. Decaf coffee has been shown to have a number of health benefits, including improved liver function. Liver disease is a major health concern, and decaf coffee may help to reduce the risk of developing liver problems. In a recent study, researchers found that decaf coffee drinkers had a significantly lower risk of developing fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease is a common condition that can lead to more serious health problems. The protective effect of decaf coffee may be due to the caffeine content. Caffeine has been shown to help improve liver function and protect against damage. Decaf coffee also contains antioxidants, which help to protect cells from damage. As a result, drinking decaf coffee may help to keep your liver healthy and reduce your risk of developing liver disease. Finally, decaf coffee may help to prevent Alzheimer's disease. Alzheimer's disease is a devastating loss of cognitive function that affects millions of people worldwide. While there is no known cure for Alzheimer's, research suggests that certain lifestyle choices may help to prevent the disease. One such lifestyle choice is consuming decaf coffee. Studies have shown that coffee drinkers have a lower risk of developing Alzheimer's, and that the protective effect is even more pronounced in those who drink decaf coffee. The exact mechanism by which coffee protects against Alzheimer's is not fully understood, but it is thought to be related to the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of coffee. So, if you're looking for ways to reduce your risk of Alzheimer's, drinking decaf coffee may be a good place to start. So there you have it, 4 health benefits of decaf coffee. If you're looking for a healthier option, then decaf coffee might be right for you. Give it a try and see for yourself. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and share this video to a coffee lover friend.